My dear students, good evening to everybody. I hope you might have enjoyed the Pongal festival with religious gaiety and fervor. Now, I am going to give. Now, I am going to give a third chemistry quiz, which is vital for JEE mains and other all NEET IIT advanced for all competitive examinations. One is chemistry, is JEE NEET. One is the number of electrons in the number of electrons in the number of d electrons in Cr H2O Cr H2O 6 3 plus. You know, number one question. Number two, the number of d electrons in hexa aqua chromium 3 ion. The number of d electrons in hexa aqua chromium 3 ion. Next, number two bit is IUPAC name of the compound. IUPAC name of the compound. OHC, HOOC, carboxylic acid, aldehyde. Here also aldehyde. What is the IUPAC name of the compound? Kindly think before think. Third one is which of the following set of quantum numbers is not permitted? Which of the set of quantum numbers not permitted? Here n is equal to 3, L is equal to 3, M is equal to 0, S is equal to plus of. N is equal to 3, L is equal to 2, N is equal to L is equal to 1, N is equal to 3, L is equal to 0. Rest of the 3 is correct, but here N is equal to 3, L is 3. If L is equal to 3, what is that? L is equal to 0, S. L is equal to 1, P. L is equal to 2, D. L is equal to 3, F. 0, 1, 2, 3. S, P, D, F. So, L is equal to 3. Actually, what is that? 4F. Here, but N is the principal quantum number 3. L is equal to 3, which is not permissible under law. That is our chemistry quantum numbers, according to quantum numbers. So, if n is equal to 3, L is equal to 2 is enough. But if n is equal to 3, he has mentioned L is equal to 3. L is equal to 3, what is that? F. F electron enters into 4F, fourth shell. So, here L is equal to 3. It is wrong. This is the correct answer. Fourth one is, the most important one is The fourth one quiz, the most important, the vital quiz is peroxydisulfuric acid. Yesterday I already peroxydisulfuric acid. In peroxydisulfuric acid, the peroxy number of peroxy linkages, number of S double bond O, number of OH, S bond OH. Kindly keep it in mind. If you know the peroxydisulfuric acid, yesterday I discussed. So then you will be able to know number of peroxy linkages, number of S double bond O, number of SOH. Number 5. If the differentiating electrons enters into 4f orbital, differentiating electrons enters into 4f orbital, then differentiating electrons enters into 4f orbital, then those elements are called. You know pretty well. While discussing about lanthanide for F-block chemistry, I have given a detailed lecture. Lanthanides, actinides. N-2F 1 to 14, N-1 D0 to 1, NS2. So if N is equal to 6, that is, if N is equal to, what is that? N is equal to 6, that is lanthanides. If N is equal to 7, that is equal to actinides. So in case of lanthanides, N minus 2, N is equal to 6 minus 2, 4F. So for sixth period, 4f orbital, electron enters into 4f orbital. So nothing but lanthanides. Sixth bit, the electronic configuration of an element 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Then what is the period of the element? What is the period? Which period it was accommodated? Period. So this is the 5 question. Number 6. If A plus, A minus, arrange the increasing order of their radius. Number 7. What is Lucas reagent and Hinsberg reagent? Number 8. Thallium shows +1 oxidation state. due to thallium shows +1 oxidation state due to. Ninth question. Second, electron gain enthalpy of oxygen is endothermic reaction. Why? Explain. Second, electron gain enthalpy of oxygen is endothermic reaction, not exothermic. Endothermic reaction. Why? Explain. Next. What is the formula of volume, malachite, bauxite, siderite, magnetite? So very easy questions, students. Kindly follow the questions very carefully. Don't ignore it, because I have been working hard to give quality of bits for the benefit of our students. So you may have your own coaching centers. You may have your own material. I don't comment it. I don't irritate it. But besides that material, definitely my humble request to all of my students, kindly follow this type of questions also. Then you will be more benefit. I am sure about it. Definitely it will fetch you in the examinations pattern of you. Orthophosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric acid contains dash POH bonds and P double bond O bonds. Orthophosphoric acid contains POH bonds how many and P double bond O bonds how many? Please note it. P double bond O, POH. 12th bit. 12th bit. Pyrophosphoric acid contains POH bonds, P double bond O bonds, POH bonds, P double bond bonds, POP bonds. So God bless you. All the best. Best of luck.